Whether you are an owner of a nightclub looking for excellent, easy to customize design solutions for your kick-ass Valentine's Day, or you're a freelancer looking to free yourself from all the social media work, greetings creation, invitations creation, I've got you covered. Hi, I'm Bala from Picmaker, and I'm going to show you how you can create romantic fantasy designs for the 14th of Feb with just a few clicks. Let's quickly jump to Picmaker and take a look at all the freshly baked templates that we have for Valentine's Day with brilliant colors, styles, and themes. So whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, a marketer, or just a YouTuber who's looking to create content for Valentine's Day, there's something for someone in Picmaker's freshly updated Valentine's Day template collection. We've got hundreds of templates for you to choose from across different design categories, and here's some of them. Be it a meme, a sale, or a greeting, having an updated collection of templates and themes makes the perfect Valentine's Day design. Take a look at this stunning sale poster, for example. I'm sure this will make your customers fall in love with you all over again. Or a romantic Valentine's Day dinner under the stars makes the perfect greeting template like this one. Take a look at this artsy and bright and colorful invitation template that we have right here. I'm sure this is going to attract all millennials and Gen Zers. Or you can get inspired by the rainbow and put up LGBTQ colors all over your Instagram with this Instagram post template that we have right here. With the 14th of Feb almost upon us, wrap your designs like you would a gift, with love, affection, and creativity being the hallmarks of what you create with Picmaker. Happy Valentine's Day from the entire team, and see you next time.